up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Kiwi. For those of you guys that are new here, welcome, and if you're an oldie but a goodie, welcome back. So today we're going to be creating this look here. Yes ma'am, who is she? Okay, I haven't done a makeup look in forever, but today's video we are going to be using products that are only $5 or less. $5 or less products, and we created this eye look and the lips, and it's fire. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you like these type of videos. Subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Turn on your notifications so you'll be notified every single time I upload. And yeah, I think that is about it. I'm gonna stop rambling and let's go ahead and get into the video. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. So I got you guys all zoomed in and whatnot. I might zoom y'all in just a little bit more. Okay, so I got you guys all zoomed in and whatnot. Like I said in the beginning, this entire look is going to be a $5 makeup look. Now everything combined is not $5, but each product itself is no more than $5. So I do want to clear that up. If you guys see my lip, I had an allergic reaction to I ate some vinegar. I don't even know what I ate that had vinegar in it, but I did. And certain times, if I eat certain types of vinegars, my lips will just swell up and then it just leaves like this little mark here once it goes down. It kind of resembles a fever blister a little bit, so most people would think that's what it is, but it's not. So I had an allergic reaction and I'm getting over it now. So if you guys see that little mark, that's why. And that's why I wasn't able to film last week, because my lips were swollen, guys. Like the first couple of days of the swollen reaction, my like mouth and lips and everything is just swollen, but we're over that now. So we're gonna go ahead and jump into it. So let's go ahead and prime our eyes. I already have my base on, as you guys can see, so we're just gonna go ahead and prime. I'm gonna use this e.l.f. Putty eye primer in the shade Sand. I love the putty face primer, so when I saw that they had the eye primer, I was like, I'm getting that. I'm gonna try that, and I hope I'm gonna love that just as much. Now when I bought this, it was $2.50. I got it from Ulta. It was on sale for $2.50, but I think the original price is still $5. So even if you don't get this particular shade and you get another shade that's, you know, regular price or whatever, it's gonna still be $5. This is just what it looks like here, and then it's just the putty inside. So the brush, I honestly think it would work better with just my finger, but actually this brush is kind of working out good. So we're just gonna apply this all over the lid. And I want to say that they have like 4 or 5 shades. I'm not really sure. I first applied it with the brush. I felt like I got like a little blotchiness, but then I added like another layer on top of it and it ended up working fine. I'm sure you guys already knew which ones I want to use, but these are all from Profusion. Like, can we get into how beautiful these palettes are? Like, so pretty. Okay, so this palette right here, I already have a video up with this palette. All 3 of these are only like $4.98. You can get them from Walmart and pretty much anywhere that sells Profusion. I got mine from the Profusion website, except for this one. I got this one from Walmart. So we're gonna try these 2 out today. This is the Matte palette right here, and it just has a bunch of beautiful neutral brown shades in it. I think this would be perfect for like everyday use. And then this is the Neons palette right here that has beautiful neon bright colors in it. So pretty. And of course you guys have seen the Spectrum palette, but I do want to compare the two. So this is the Spectrum palette here, and then this is the Neons palette. So let's compare the two. Really cute and some similar colors, but for the most part they have some different shades in it, but I think it'll be fun to play with. So we got those 2 palettes there. Okay, so I want to go in with the Matte palettes first, of course, and use this as my transitional shade. So I think I'm gonna go in with this shade Proud right here. Isn't it Proud? Yeah, Proud right here. Okay, so just like the Spectrum palette, they are very, very powdery. But if it's anything like that, the pigmentation is really nice. So as you guys can see. Okay, so let's go in with a highlight color, and I think I'm just gonna mix these two shades right here together. I look today, I want to go colorful, I want to go bright, and I want to have a little bit of fun with color. So that's what we are going to do. Let's get into some color. This is the Neons palette. Like I mentioned, I don't even know what color I want to go in with. I'm thinking I want to play with like this orange and pinky colors right here. So I think I'm just going to play with those three. So I think I'm going to start out with this one right here, which is called Bro. Let's go in with Bro. A fresh new one that I've never even used. Oh, and this palette is doing the same thing with the shadows kind of breaking up. Well, not breaking up, but just picking up a lot of the shadow. And ooh, it's so pigmented. I love these shadows because they're so pigmented when you put them on. They're really, really nice. But you guys can see what I mean about how the shadows just like break up on, well, not break up, but just really powdery on here, but not on your brush. So that's just what I mean about that. And then we're going to go in with Gnarly, which is this orange shade right here. Yeah. Okay, I don't know if it's the brush because I use the same types of brushes, just different brushes, but the same brush each time for all the other shades. But this brush right here is actually leaving a little bit of fallout. So it could just be the brush, and I probably should just, it's really beautiful once you pat the color on, and I feel like that's probably what I should do, is just pat the color on. So now let's go in with Beat from the Spectrum palette, which is this orange right here, and just kind of pat it on top of that. So, and honestly, this is not like what I was going for, but it'll work. It'll work. Let's go back to the Neons palette and go in with Red, which is this hot pink shade right here. Honestly, I don't know how this is gonna look. I may need to add a little bit of concealer to kind of like make it pop a little bit. I'm going back in just with that brush with the same amount of product on it and just patting it on the outer part, which is the pink. So just kind of clean up, just blend everything together. So thoughts on the Neon palette. I really like the shades. I feel like they're really, really pigmented. However, I feel like the orange in here actually had a lot of fallout that actually fell out on my face. But other than that, the shadows themselves are really, really pretty. Let's go in with eyeliner. This is the Essence Liquid Ink Eyeliner, waterproof, and it is only $3.99 from Ulta. So alright, so now that we got the eyeliner on, I want to play with these neon eyeliners. So these are the Profusion Bright Lights eyeliners, and they're so pretty. Such beautiful colors. So this one here is in the shade Flash, this one is in the shade Bolt, and this one is in the shade Strobe. If you guys saw my Walmart haul, you saw these. I didn't swatch them in that haul, so I'll swatch them really quick for you guys so you can see them. Liners look like right there. They're really bright and pretty. So we're gonna try this one in the shade Bolt. So this is the blue liner. I think it brings out the look. I think it makes the look a little bit different than it looked before, but it's still nice. I still like it. These liners are also only $3.99 as well. Should we play with blue? These two blues right here, would that be cute? Would that be, ooh, I don't know. Seriously would be super cute. So let's go in with Seriously. It actually looks a little green on the skin, but it's blue. The shade that's beside it, which is Etsy, and maybe kind of make it like a different color, just to, you know, just playing. Well, I want to play with all the shadows today. Okay, so let's go in with this eyeliner. It's just a Wet n Wild eyeliner. I think it was like $2 or $2.98, $1.98 or something like that. We're just gonna apply this. These are the lashes I'm going to be using today. They're only $2.98 from Walmart. They're by Salon Perfect. They're my favorite lashes. Well, one of my favorite lashes. They're $6.14. Me personally, I like $6.15 a lot, but for some reason they haven't had those lately, so I just picked up $6.14. So we're gonna pop these on. Again, these are only $2.98. So, and it's like, who is she with these lashes on? Like, ma'am. And y'all, I found an easy way to apply my lashes. I'm gonna share it with y'all in my next makeup video. We're done with the eyes. All in all, I ended up liking all of the eye products I tried out today. Like I said, that neon palette was fire. I just didn't really care for the orange, and I still feel like it's a little blotchy, but other than that, the look still turned out cute. I like all the other shadows. The matte palette is really nice. Everything, fire. So for the lips, I got this Mixed Metals lips, and it's a long-lasting matte lip cream, matte lip liner, and a metallic matte lip cream. So we're gonna try these out on the lips today. These are all, this set right here is only $2.99, but if you were to get the one, I think without the metallic one, without the metal matte lipstick, you would actually pay like $5 for it. So it's still $5, still falls under the $5 range. Pretty much has an outline on here on how to apply it, but I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory. If you wear makeup, you know how to apply it, I'm pretty sure. But let's just look at it and make sure. Okay. So yeah, so this is what the lip liner looks like. Really nice and pretty. Okay, and I don't think I told you guys what color this lip liner is. This is Nude Intrigue. That's what color this lip liner is. Okay, so let's go in with the matte lipstick, and this one is in the shade Matte Nude. So nude there, and then gonna let it dry down just a little bit. And then this is the Metal Nude shade, and it's the Metal Matte Lip Cream. So we're gonna let this dry down just a little bit. It's actually taking a minute to dry. It says to add it as a top coat, but I honestly think it would be prettier just in the center, so that's why I'm gonna apply mine. I say this is just too bright for me. It's not my cup of tea. I need my lip liner, so I'm gonna apply a brown lip liner. And okay, she cute. All right, so this is the completed look, guys. Honestly, everything I tried out today is really nice. I honestly am impressed with some of these products. I mean, I knew that the eyeshadow palettes were gonna be fire, because I mean, I already have a few from them, but I have a few more. I don't know if you guys can see them back there that I'm going to try out from Profusion. When I ordered the rest of these, I ordered some bigger ones too. So we're going to try those out in different videos. And like I said, I have lots of makeup videos coming for you guys. But honestly, this was fun. I miss doing makeup on the channel, like I do. So definitely going to see a lot more makeup videos coming from your girl. But yeah, let me know some of you guys' favorite products from the drugstore that are under $5, or let me know if you guys have tried any of these products. Let me know your thoughts on them. And yeah, I think that is about it. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like these type of videos. Subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Turn on your notifications so you'll be notified every single time I upload, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.